Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's coloring book day. We're going to do the pattern called Well. Give me a pointer. So we're going to make a grid, and then we're going to put a circle in the middle of each of the grid spices, and then we're going to go around from each corner into the middle like that. Okay. I don't know why it goes in this order. I don't like them when the patterns go like this. They go down and across like that. I don't like that. I like to go across and across and across. But anyway, we're going to do it like that. And then you do the next one going the other way. So this one's going around counterclockwise. This one's going around clockwise, and you just alternate them. So that, where is it? Oh, it doesn't show the whole thing. Well, when it's finished, it should look like well, heck, Eunice. It doesn't give me the finished one. Well, it's closer to this. That one's got a finished, almost a finished one. Interesting. And then this one shows it going all the way to where it has these petals. We're not going to do the petals. So anyway, you're going to follow along. Follow along with me. Yeah. Light. I need a light. So I can see, so you guys can see. I'm going to do, my square on my paper is 8 inches wide, so I'm going to do every 2 inches. I am going to make a line because I think that is plenty of pieces. I want them nice and big so you guys can see. And I also want them so that you have plenty of room to add your own embellishments if you'd like. Which is why I'm drawing all of these patterns big and relatively simple. Then you can add the embellishments if you want to add extra petals or whatever it is that you want to do. Yeah. So we're going to put a circle in the middle of each of those. And when I'm doing these coloring book pages, I do draw basically the whole thing in pencil first and then come back in pen, because I want to make sure my pattern is done correctly. Okay, so the first corner we're going to come around that way. We're going to go in, we're spiraling that direction. Can you guys see that? Let me zoom in. I'm going to spiral that direction, and then this one we're going to spiral the other direction. So we're going to come this way. Okay, and then this one we're going to spiral this way. And then this one we're going to spiral the other way. and then so forth and so on. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. That's not right. See, that's why I do them in pencil, because I just did that one the wrong way. It needs to go this way. And then this way. Right? Yes. My knee hurts today. Don't know why my knee hurts today. I haven't done anything. Maybe it's just because I've been sitting instead of moving. That's possible. Okay, so there's the pattern. And now we're just going to draw that. Do we want it drawn with or without that line? I think I'm going to do it without that line, so then you guys can really do what you want with this pattern. You can add that line back in if you'd like. I think I'm going to do it without. Let's do a nice big bold pen. The only part we're going to do is for sure the border. That, and then Yeah, I think I don't want the grid. I don't want the grid in there. I just want the pattern. I think that will look best. Just like that. Yeah, that's what I want. Normally I would fill in that in the circle in the middle, but I think I'm going to leave it because then you guys can decide whether you want to color it in solid or another color or make like a spiral in there. Gives you guys more options. Okay, we're almost there. We're working toward the middle. It's weird, the wind is blowing and I have the wind over here to my right, and I keep seeing out of the corner of my eye, I keep seeing movement. It's just the plants and things moving around, but it's distracting me. We have had a windy season. Wind stopped for a little while, but it's back. Okay, that's what I wanted. Yeah, that looks good. So then if I was to embellish this, do anything else different to this particular pattern, I might color in the dots. I might add some auras. You could add the lines back in, the grid lines. I like it without, but that's just my personal opinion. You could fill like these ones with one pattern, you know, you could fill in every other one. You could do all sorts of things. So this is awesome. I like how that turned out. Which way do I want to go? I guess I want to go this way. All right. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. That is today's pattern for coloring book. It is called Well. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video, whatever that turns out to be, for Wednesday. Today is going to be 23rd of February, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for following along on my journey with me, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.